The Red Pajama project aims to create a set of leading open source models and to rigorously understand the ingredients that yield good performance. They have released a Red Pajama based dataset based on Llama paper in the past, which has been downloaded thousands of times along with the dataset. Just recently, they have released the version 1 of Red Pajama Incite family of models, which we are going to review in this video. There are various offerings in this family, including the Red Pajama Insight 7B Instruct, which is the highest scoring open model on HEM benchmarks, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks. This 7B Instruct is an instruction-tuned version of the base model, optimized for few shot performance by training on a diverse collection of NLP tasks from both P3 and natural instruction. The Instruct version shows excellent performance on a few short tasks, outperforming leading open models of similar sizes, including Llama 7B, Falcon 7B, and also MPT 7B on HEM. Second option in this family is the chat model, which is Red Pajama Insight 7B Chat. This is an instruction-tuned version of the base model, optimized for chat by training on open source data, which is primarily Dolly 2 and OAST, ensuring it is clean for use in open or commercial applications like all models in the Red Pajama Insight family. Red Pajama has also added this chat model to OpenChatKit, which provides functionalities to further fine-tune the chat model and customize it for a specific application. You can even play with it in your own Hugging Face Space or in Red Pajama's Hugging Face Space. Then the third offering is a base model, which is Red Pajama Insight 7B base, which is trained on the Red Pajama dataset with the same architecture as a popular Pythia model suite. It was trained on the Summit supercomputer with lots of great GPUs with deeper speed code base developed by Elixir AI. As a base model, Red Pajama 7B base was trained over 1 terabyte of tokens. The base model is slightly behind Falcon 7B on HEM, as per together.xyz website. Now, the goal of the Red Pajama effort is not only to produce a state of art open model, but also to make the whole process of building such a model fully reproducible, including a fully open data set, the creation recipe, and the training process. So now what's next for Red Pajama? They are going to release further versions, and I think the progress the community made towards building better open model is really fantastic. They are actively taking feedback, and now they are currently working towards a new version of Red Pajama, aptly named as Red Pajama 2. And it is targeting 2 to 3 terabyte of tokens. And in this new version, they are also trying to make several improvements on the data side, including understanding a principled way how to balance data mixture over each data slice. Plus, they are also going to include complementary slices from Pile version 1 and Pile version 2. Plus, they will also be keen on process an even larger portion of common crawl. And there are lots of other improvements. I will also put the link to their website in video's description. Very exciting project, and I think we should keep an eye on it. And if you like the image, which I love, the source is from the together.xyz website. Thank you very much.